Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you another buttercream frosting with just 2 ingredients, no icing or powdered sugar at all. Keep watching. All you need for this recipe is your sweetened condensed milk and butter. Yeah, you heard me right. Sweetened condensed milk and butter, no icing sugar. First, you add in your softened butter into a mixer bowl. And mix with your whisk attachment until the butter is light and creamy. Here I'm using unsalted butter. This will help control the amount of salt in the icing. Ensure your butter is softened. Don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl at intervals. You mix until your butter is light and creamy. I will drop detailed measurement in the description, so check that out for the measurements for this recipe. Next, add in your condensed mix slowly and keep mixing on medium speed. Also, add in your salt and your vanilla flavor. Mix for about 3 minutes. Then, switch to your powdered attachment and mix on low speed to get that silky smooth texture. And then you're done. This buttercream is not overly sweet and it's very stable. It's perfect for filling your cakes and frosting your cupcakes and covering your regular size cakes. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in my next video.